Hi students and dear viewers, welcome to my channel ICT Active Learner once again. I'm here today with a new topic called Presentation for 2020 May-June Paper 21. So in this presentation part, they say you are going to create a short presentation. All slides must have a consistent layout and formatting unless otherwise instructed. Slides must be formatted to display a lit title and a bulleted list. So create a presentation of 6 slides using the file J2120 guide. So first of all, I'm going to open the PowerPoint. Yes, and then we'll open the file as I mentioned here. File, just click on open and then browse. Desktop, we'll open the file called guide RTF. So this is the one. Now after getting this one, you got 6 slides, just cross check, yes, you got it. Then on slide 1, enter your name after the text guide presented by. So here they ask us to enter the name, so I'm going to type my name here. That's it. And then they mention here, format the first slide so that a title slide layout is applied with no bullet. So we'll click on layout and we'll apply title slide layout to it with no bullet. A title and subtitle text are centered in the middle of the slide. So you can see they are already in the middle of the slide. Next step is to use a master slide to display the following features. So we'll click on view, then we will click on slide master, and we will go to the top, the primary slide, and then what they ask us to do, the company logo 2120 appropriately sized, will maintain the aspect ratio, and then your name, center number and candidate number and automated slide number. Fine. So insert a picture first and the logo. So we'll choose from here this logo, and I'm going to make this one, for example, 3 centimeter, and let's see what happened. So it is a little bit smaller, so let us make it 5 centimeter now, and we'll place this one at the right corner. If you want to make it further bigger, you can make it, for example, 8 cm, just like that. Now place it here, and then the next step they mentioned here, your name, center number, candidate number. So just scroll up and then type here your name, center number and candidate number, and slide number is already here. In this case we have to click on insert, header and footer, and click on the option called slide number and for footer, and this will apply to all the slides. So make sure everything is appearing here. So it is already, you just click on the view and normal view. So yes, your name, your center number, candidate number, slide number and the logo appears on every slide. Now next step is to change the layout of the slide with the title competition type to title and a table. Competition types, so we'll change the layout of it. So we'll choose, for example, title and content. Yeah, because title and a table, and then after create a table that contain 5 columns and 9 rows. So you need to create a table, so you can just choose from here table and then select from here contains 5 columns and 9 rows. So rows are 9 here. That's it, a table is created, and then copy the data from J2120 table and place this in the table. So we will go to the file here as they mentioned. Yes, we'll go to desktop, sorry. Here is my folder with the file called table. Yes, looking for This is the one. And I will open this file and get the data from it, and we'll just paste it here. Yes, it is like that. So I'm going to get this data, for example, like this, copy, and then we will just paste it into our presentation here. Data is copied now. We need to adjust our columns and our data. Yeah, here it is. Just try to adjust it. Fine. Next step is to adjust the column width so the table fit on the slide with all data fully visible, no text wrapped within the cell. So there is no text wrap in the cell. You make sure that it fit in the width of the slide. So we'll make this one smaller, this one as well. Now we'll further just extend this one a little bit, and we'll make this one smaller from here so that you can adjust. So almost all the data is here now. So you just need to adjust this one. For in this case, yeah, we'll move forward what they said next. Yeah, format the table so that text in all row in center line vertically. So select all the cells and then go to home and the alignment into the center here, vertically into the center. Okay, and then after they said a plain table is applied, so no cell shading. So we want a plain table, so we'll choose from here design, and we'll choose from here no design. Yes, but the borders must be visible for all the cells. And then next step is to all internal borders are printed, that's it, and insert a new row as the first row of the table to enter the heading. So we'll go here and then we'll right click and we'll insert a row above. So just right click here and then insert row above, like that. And then they said cross country race type, this must be entered, and all the cells are merged and center aligned. So we'll just select this one here, cells, then right click and merge cells, and then we enter the heading as they said, and this must be in the center of the table. And then after format row 1 and 2 of the table to be bold and an 18-point font size. So first two rows they have mentioned. So we'll choose row 1 and row 2. So bold and 18-point font size, and then after filled with a light gray 20 to 35%. So in this case we'll right click and then we'll go to, or we can just even select from here also the bucket, yeah, shading, and it is for example 25%. That's enough, and then you have to print. Right, before printing I would like to improve this, the font size of the remaining cells here. So we'll just click on home and we'll make this one for example 14, so at least it is visible. Yeah, so when you do this one, in this case you just need to do one thing. Yes, we need to adjust your table with the data. Like here we have some extra space, so we need to adjust that one, just like that. Yeah, we'll adjust each and every row and column here. Yeah, just like that. We'll click here. Yeah, that's it. You can do something, for example, just like that. Fine. And then you just print 2 slides per page. So we'll click on file and then we'll click on the print, and then we have an option called full slide, 2 slides per page. So that's all from the PowerPoint part of this question paper. Hope you have learned how to include the features in the master slide, how to include the table, logo, and other steps that we have done. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe the channel for more videos and updates.